Hi, I'm Sean Morgan, and I'm the coordinator and a professor in the GIS postgraduate programs at Fleming College. This year's open house is special because it's our last. June 21st, 2024, you can attend and actually visit, talk with our students, and see their projects. And we encourage you to do that. And this preview video goes through each group, gives them an opportunity to give you a little bit of a demo in about a minute. And I'm going to be introducing each individual group as we go through. Now, if you'd like to attend, you can come to the campus from 12 to 2 p.m. at the Frost campus, which is in Lindsay, Ontario. Alternatively, if you can't come in person, you can attend online and you can actually talk with the groups. This video gives you a little bit of an overview of each individual group, and you can actually talk with those individual groups. So let me just show you how you'd be able to do that. Now, in here, if you click on an individual entry, it brings up a little bit more information about it, including a little bit of a short description as well as the team's abstract. There's also a link that allows you to open up that group's website, and that will give you even more details about the project. And then while the event is live, and that's from 11 to 2 on the 21st of June, you can actually talk with the team directly. And you can use that link right here to be able to do that. So without further ado, let me give you the first group.
Hello everyone, welcome to the short demonstration video of our project Modernizing the City of Cambridge's Open Data Portal. Before starting the demo, let me quickly introduce my team. Paige is our project advisor and has provided us with valuable guidance throughout this project. Ida is our WebGIS specialist. Chloe is our project coordinator, and I am Rajesh, data and automation specialist. Now let us jump into our modern GeoHub. We call it modern because we have implemented several innovative ideas and features which we found after conducting research on 19 different GeoHubs across Canada. The site is fully customized with City of Cambridge's logo color, composition, and codes. The first feature is our data. Data publishing and update is done using FME Workbench. A Python workflow updates the metadata, tags, and summary of open data in ArcGIS Online. Secondly, our data personas, which helps users to obtain data faster based on 6 major categories. Our application page has different categories, but one thing that sets our design apart from other GeoHubs is our map builder, where a user can visualize the open data, see feature attributes, and print a rock map for preliminary use and sharing. Our story map tells all the stories of City of Cambridge. And finally, the fact page is an interactive page where users are guided through our portals based on the questions.
Our next group, Urban Tree Data Solutions for the City of Kawartha Lakes.
Hello and welcome to the Branch-In team. We've been working with the City of Kawartha Lakes to create the Urban Tree Asset Management Solution. I am Allison Cook, a cartography specialist student with an honors degree in history from U Ottawa.
Hello, I am Laura Jaimes, an application specialist student with a bachelor degree in geology.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Ignatius, an application specialist student with a master's in geological technology and geoinformatics. Come see us at the open house in room 332 to see how we used ArcGIS Online to create a tree inventory and asset management solution for the City of Kawartha Lakes.
We can tell you how to create and maintain a digital tree inventory using our public and employee surveys, and how it is an effective way of organizing maintenance of tree-related requests from the public, helping the city uphold the beautiful tree in the Kawartha Lakes.
The next group is 3D Utility and Infrastructure Planning at Ontario Parks.
Hi everyone, my name is Grace, here with my partners Kieran and Janie, and welcome to a preview of our collaboration on 3D utilities and infrastructure with Ontario Parks. We're excited to show you our 3D model of one of the comfort stations in Emily Provincial Park, along with 3 risk analyses we conducted. Our team aims to demonstrate the benefits that integrating advanced technology into asset management can have for an organization such as Ontario Parks, using Emily as an example.
Using a ground-penetrating radar, we were able to find and determine the depth of the pipe shows in this 3D model of the comfort station, which in reality would contain enough sinks, toilet and shower to support around 100 campers at full capacity.
The 3D model, along with the risk area assessment, the proximity analysis, and plot simulation will allow offsite planning, informed emergency preparedness, and easily locatable utility components for maintenance staff to complete their work efficiently. The goal is for Ontario Parks to build on our works in future, eventually digitizing all parks assets and integrating 3D visualization for all provincial parks as both a tool and interactive way to engage the staff and visitors within the park. To learn more about the work with Ontario Parks, please visit on our website on the Collaborative Project page or feel free to join us in our WebEx room. Thank you so much for watching.
Our next group, when everything goes off the rails, Municipal Emergency Toolkit. And this is for the Municipality of Clarington.
Scared of flooding? Don't like chemical spills? Have an irrational fear of a train derailment? If you answered yes or are just an interested individual, then come check out our project, When It All Goes Off the Rails, a Municipal Emergency Response Toolkit. I'm Julie Milne with Team Mapbenders, joined by my team members Marcus and Miles. Over the past few months, we have been building replacements for the Municipality of Clarington's outdated emergency response tools. Like all Ontario citizens, in the event of an emergency, you will look to your municipal government for direction. We built a toolkit to identify at-risk areas, give municipal staff access to critical maps without internet, and support spatial awareness and decision-making during emergencies. Our spatial analysis identifies that there are safer areas from risks such as flooding or a train derailment. Our closest facility routing will find the nearest evacuation shelter in the event of an emergency like flooding or a chemical spill. But what if the internet goes out and you don't have access to these maps? In the event of an internet outage, our custom-made mobile map will allow you to have access to an interactive map that supports searching businesses and local addresses. Our final tool in the toolkit, check out our Situational Awareness web app. Our interactive web app allows you to do a bunch of cool things, such as measuring the radius of a chemical spill or get route directions. Want to see real-time information of traffic? Have a need to import your own data? Want to know what the weather is? Our web app also does all these things. And that puts a lid on our toolbox. Come check out our project website or visit us in person at our booth in room 333. Mapbenders!
Next group is GeoConnect Prince Edward County, strengthening rural connections through mapping. That's for the Prince Edward County Foundation.
Hi everyone, we're Team HRS, and I'm Helen Plesko.
I'm Sarmila Wagle.
And our project is GeoConnect Prince Edward County, strengthening rural connections through mapping. Our client is the County Foundation, and they're located in Prince Edward County, Ontario. And our project focuses on using Esri technologies to help find solutions to housing and public transportation in Prince Edward County. So on Friday, you can join us at the open house either in person or virtually through this WebEx link. And to learn more about our project, you can click the website above it.
And this is our homepage, which provides information about client and our project as a whole. And this is the solutions we have provided for our client, which includes database, web maps, dashboard, experience builder, and a hub to hold all of the results. And we have also created documentation as a part of training.
Here comes a methodology which we ran through all of this project, and we are submitting this to our client. And this is a wonderful team, and come visit us on the open house this Friday. See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
Our next group is Digital Solutions Tools to Enhance Southern African Wildlife College Environment, Maintenance, and Safety Resources. This is done with Southern African Wildlife College in South Africa. And this is one of my projects, so enjoy.
We are Team Purple Penguins, and the title of our project is Digital Solutions, Tools to Enhance Southern African Wildlife College's Environment, Maintenance, and Safety Resources. On screen right now are a couple photos of our team. In the first photo, from left to right, we have myself, Kayla, Maya, Lori, and Lilith with our advisor, Sean. So when initiated, this project aimed to enhance the productivity of various operations on SOC's campus through GIS technology. There were 3 goals in mind: create a streamlined safety, health, environment, and quality solution, update the existing base maps, and provide training to SOC staff on GIS solutions. When our team visited the college in April, we worked closely with different staff to understand the work they do and where they could use new systems to simplify their work. This project grew to include a system to track invasive plant and native tree species, update their current evacuation maps, and provide a more accessible way to access operational data. While working on the project deliverables, our team decided an automated script for backups would be beneficial to the college, as well as individual flowcharts to ensure easy handoff of the solution. We're excited to meet you all at the open house, and thank you.
Our next project is Frost Finder, a campus navigation solution. This was done for the Frost campus itself to help you get around on our campus.
Hello, everybody. We are SS Pathfinders. My name's April.
I'm Matthew.
I'm Faith, and we made Frost Finder, a campus navigational solution. We focused in on using an experience builder, which you can see on screen here. It has a bunch of different functionality, and if you're someone who will be coming in person, we have shown you the route that you can take from the parking lot to the GIS wing where we'll be presenting our project today. We also made an open source version that allows for user interactivity with the rooms, along with a search function.
We can't wait to see you there. You can use these QR codes here to use the Experience Builder or the leaflet and make your way all around the campus, test it out when you're here, or check it out before you even get here.
Once again, we are SS Pathfinders. I'm April.
I'm Matthew.
I'm Faith.
The next group is for a Toronto School Board, and it's for Safe School Floor Plan Dashboard.
We are Andy, Athulia, and Tally, and we have been paired with the Toronto Catholic District School Board to create a safe school floor plan dashboard for internal staff use.
So for the project, we brought 197 schools to their actual locations found on a map. Bringing them into an online instant app, we were able to create web maps so that a user can go into a school floor plan and see different types of information such as room use or capacity.
For cartographic outputs, we created a dynamic 3D render map and some static maps. The dynamic 3D render map can be used by the client for their intermapping activities, and these are our static maps which show safety layer features, and a reference map which shows the location of all the schools.
Our next group is Feeding Ontario's Future Food Bank Usage Mapping, and this is with Feed Ontario.
Welcome to our open house demonstration. I'm Kabir.
I'm Venus.
I'm Simon.
We are Team 2415 Feeding Future. Today, we're excited to give a brief introduction on our collaborate project aimed at visualizing and evaluating food bank users and food insecurity in Ontario. This is the link to access our website.
We've developed an interactive web mapping platform using ArcGIS Experience Builder. The platform will be on the Feed Ontario's official website. In addition, we created 2 ArcGIS story maps, one showing the statistical analysis of the food bank usage data of 2021 and 2023, another demonstrating the results of multi-criteria decision suitability analysis, evaluating the vulnerable areas on food insecurity.
Together with Feed Ontario, we are working to create a more secure future for everyone. Thank you for joining us today and exploring our project. For more information, visit our website and come to the open house this Friday on June the 21st. Let's make a difference together.
Our next group is determining habitat suitability for Kirtland warblers in southern central Ontario. This is done in association with Fleming College.
Hi everyone, we are Group 2417, otherwise known as JLR Solutions, and our project is determining habitat suitability for the Kirtland's warbler in South Central Ontario. My name is Jordan Steinman.
My name is Riley Gorlitz.
And I'm Laura Cobham. So this is how you can access our website through the Fleming GIS project portal. If you click on this link, you'll be taken to our homepage where you can get some more information about our project. So throughout the semester, we've been working with Fleming College, the Nature Conservancy of Canada, and the Oak Ridges Moraine Land Trust to create deliverables for them to allow them to acquire, protect, and manage land for the Kirtland's warbler.
So the Kirtland's warbler itself is an endangered avian species within Ontario and globally, and basically it needs very specific habitat requirements when selecting suitable habitat.
So here, if you go to the map box visualization tab on our team's website, you will see one of the deliverables that we created. It's a public web map to display the different habitat suitabilities within our study area. Here in the legend, you can see it ranges from 1 to 9, 9 being the most suitable and 1 being the least suitable. You can interact with the map and click around to look at the different rankings to see what type of habitat suitability they have. As well, at the top corner, you can see that there is an optimization button to click on and off the optimization output created by the Where to Work app, which was made in collaboration between the Nature Conservancy of Canada and Carleton University. So feel free to visit us during the open house and ask us any questions about our project. Thank you. Thank you.
Our next group is enhancing Ontario's lake bathymetric data, generating bathymetric contours as a semi-automated process. This is done with the Provincial Mapping Unit for Ontario.
Welcome to the Fleming GIS Open House. We are Group Green Guardians. We aim to enhance the Ontario's lake bathymetric mapping by generating bathymetric contours as a semi-automated process using standalone script and ArcGIS toolbox. Our group members are Mengyuan, Hannah, and Priscilla. Are you tired of hand digitizing contour lines from historic maps? Or tired of looking for the best spatial interpolation method? No more neck pain and sore eyes, and no more time-consuming processing. Here we developed a standalone script to simply create contour lines from point data and export it to a geodatabase. All you need to do is put in your working directories and files, simple as that. We also offer toolbox version and ensure everything is in an all-in-one process. The output will be waiting for you right there. On the map, the add-on tool allows you to create easy-to-use map with just a few clicks. Our product ensures fast processing, simple-to-use environment, accurate output, and even visualization options. We are Team Green Guardians. Talk to you soon.
Our next group is land use classification for Kawartha Conservation.
Hello everybody, my name is Ever Ironherd. My project 2419, I've titled it Man vs. Machine, Land Use Classification for Kawartha Conservation. So the short description says, this project aims to create an Esri deep learning model to aid Kawartha conservation with the tedious and nuanced ecological land classification process. So let's talk about that quickly. Kawartha Conservation is a conservation authority. They were established in 1979. They are just north of Lindsay, Ontario. Ecological land classification is similar to land use, it's just a little more specific. And deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to model and recognize patterns in data. So my project kind of ties all of these things together, and if you find any of that interesting, please, check out my team website that I made or chat with me during the open house. Thank you.
Our next group is Understanding Neighborhood Walkability in Peterborough, Ontario, and that's for the city itself.
Hello there. I'm Tyler, this is Craig, and Ashwin is our third contributor. Our project, Understanding Walkability in Peterborough, Ontario, was intended to create an index showing which parts of the city of Peterborough are the most and least walkable. In consultation with our client, we generated a series of factors that influence pedestrian experiences, such as density of streetlights and density of intersections, then weighted those factors in order to produce a final index layer. We then created a series of static maps, one of which you can see here, and web applications in order to show the results in an easily accessible fashion.
So here we have one of the web apps that we created through the online Esri web application services. So this is called an ArcGIS dashboard, and here we have the web map of the city of Peterborough in the middle. And all of these widgets that you see surrounding this web map are actually automatically changing as we adjust the map extent for this web map, or if we actually click on each of the individual dissemination areas in the city of Peterborough. Furthermore, we have another web map that we created called an ArcGIS story map, which goes into a lot more information as to how each of those layers were acquired, analyzed, and adjusted in order to calculate our final walkability index. Thank you very much for watching our video, and we hope to see you at the open house.
Our next group is also with the city of Peterborough, and that's optimizing tree planting for the green future of the city.
Hi, this is the project team for optimizing tree planting for the green future of Peterborough. We partnered with the City of Peterborough to find solutions to assist in making informed decisions about tree planting in the city. This project used various products from Esri to perform spatial analysis to identify potential planting areas.
Next, we built a tree species database to create an in-house interactive web map application. The application helps city staff select suitable tree in a potential planting area based on the surrounding environment and the tree characteristic.
Also, we visualize the city's trees for the public through a web map to disseminate tree knowledge and information. If you are interested in this project, we encourage you to join us at the open house event to explore our products.
Our next group is the Baxter Creek Watershed Phase 3, and this is a hydrology and 3D model.
Hello, we are the Baxter Creek BAC, consisting of Atlanta, Jackson, and myself, Lux. Our project is the Baxter Creek Watershed Alliance Phase 3, consisting of hydrology and a 3D model. Our client for this project is the Baxter Creek Watershed Alliance. The Baxter Creek Watershed Alliance works towards our environmental conservation within the Baxter Creek Watershed. For the hydrology portion of our project, we created a 2D ArcHydro geodatabase of the Baxter Creek watershed with the database design components and relationship classes. The goal of this deliverable was to give the BCWA a foundational geodatabase to use for future hydrology analysis. Then for the 3D model, we created a 3D digital twin of the buildings and trees in the Millbrook, Ontario. We used deep learning models provided by Esri and also selected buildings were texturized. Thank you for listening, and we hope you check our project.
And our last group is enhancing data quality to support next generation 911 in York Region.
Hi everyone, I would like to introduce Team MAP. This team consists of 3 individuals, Minji, Aisha, and Parkabi. The 3 of us are passionate about GIS and can't wait to share our project with you. We are project number 2423. And our team has had the privilege of working with the Regional Municipality of York. The project involves enhancing data quality and supporting a nationwide initiative called Next Generation 911. And in order to help enhance data quality, we created 3 products. One of the products is a survey to collect hidden address information. A hidden address is an address that has fallen through the cracks and does not currently exist in the database. The second product, alias name integration, is created to ensure that when an individual gives the common name of an address, for example, Unionville High School, instead of a formal address, the dispatchers know the address attached to this name immediately. And finally, for visualization, we created a dashboard to facilitate assessments of NG911 address data progress. And the reason why our project is valuable is because improved address data aids in emergency response times. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to meeting with you.
Thank you so much for watching. That concludes all of the project previews. Remember, please do attend the open house. And if the open house is completed already, if it's past the 21st of June, you can always go back and visit this website and take a look at, for example, this link will give you the group's information about what they've completed. And you can always try to contact that team using the links on their website. I'm sad to say that this is our final open house. The program was suspended, and I hope that we are able to resurrect something in the future. But for now, that is all.